20 seconds. Be ready, 10 seconds. Start. The writ petitioners before us as appellants have been selected in the written and oral examination under the dying in the harness category, but they failed in the test of physical fitness. According to them, due to shortage of time, that is 10 days between the other examinations, the physical fitness test, they were not prepared for such physical fitness test. Therefore, they are entitled for a second opportunity if the relevant rules, government orders, and the order of the division bench dated 20th December 2006 passed in special appeal number 1602 of 2006 are taken together. Learned single judge in his order dated 16/2/2010 has held that no right can be vested with the candidates to become successful in the examinations under the category of dying in harness along with others who get appointment with the confirmation of a status and reservation of the post. Time always vitiates and the need of compassionate appointment, and in the present case no financial hardship is supposed to be faced by the family, and at least the same can be reflected when they are also fighting for cause for the last 4 years. Mr. C.B. Yadav, learned senior counsel appearing for the appellants, has contended before us that the appellants before this court cannot be discriminated with others who have already been given an opportunity. Moreover, we have to go by the import of the order of the division bench in Pankaj Kumar Vishnoi Supra with reference to the rule, if any, when the reason has been shown therein with regard to the dependent of the deceased employee that after a period of 4 years, whether he became unfit or more fit, it necessitates for consideration. We further find from the order of the learned single judge in Srimati Neelam Verma Supra as referred that in the said case the selection under the dying in harness category was proceeded in the basis of an application of the petitioner therein dated 24th May 2001, wherein she failed, and thereafter on the basis of her letter dated 3rd July 2009 she sought another opportunity which was declined by the authority concerned. In this background the order was passed therein. Therefore the cause was considered by the self same learned single judge after a period of 8 years from the date of original application for appointment on compassionate ground. Hence, without apprising all these facts, we cannot hold and say whether at this belated stage such order can be passed on account of compassionate appointment or not. Before going into such controversy, we should say that giving or not giving the compassionate appointment in the cases not backed by any rule is different from the cases which are backed by any rule. The question of breadwinning of the dependent will be considered at the threshold But when the ball has been rolled by allowing the appellants to sit for the written and oral examinations and they have become successful, we cannot put the clock backwards without affording any equitable justice.